First, we will announce the 2010 OVC All-Newcomer team. From Jacksonville State, Monica Fife. From Murray State, Daniel Sokia. From Murray State, Emily Quiner. And from UT Martin, Kyle Rebellion. Now in air rifle, Murray State's Caroline Barber. And from Murray State, Daniel Soika. From Jacksonville State, Monica Fife. And from Murray State, Emily Quiner. And now the 2010 Ohio Valley Conference Co-Freshman of the Year as voted on by the coaches. From Murray State, Emily Quiner. And from UT Martin, Kyle Rebellion. And now we'll move on to the 2010 OVC All-Conference second team. From Tennessee Tech, Austin Litherland. From UT Martin, Kelsey Hunt. From Morehead State, Elizabeth Lyon. And from Murray State, Emily Quiner. And now the second team for air rifle. From Murray State, Daniel Soika. From Murray State, Casey Meyer. From Jacksonville State, Monica Fife. And from Tennessee Tech, Austin Litherland. And now here's the 2010 OVC All-Conference first team for small bore. From Morehead State, Kevin Mulligan. From UT Martin, Kyle Rebellion. From Murray State, Casey Meyer. From Jacksonville State, Andrea Dardis. And from Jacksonville State, Brian Karstensen. And now our 2010 OVC Small Bore Athlete of the Year from Jacksonville State, Brian Karstensen. And now we'll go to our first team for air rifle. From Jacksonville State, Andrea Dardis. From UT Martin, Kelsey Hunt. Also from UT Martin, Caitlin Chafin. And from Murray State, Emily Quiner. And the 2010 OVC Air Rifle Athlete of the Year from Murray State, Emily Quiner. And now the 2010 Ohio Valley Conference Rifle Coach of the Year as voted on by his peers, Murray State's Alan Lawler. The 2010 Small Bore Team Champions in a total score of 2273, the Murray State Racers. The 2010 Air Rifle Team Champions with a score of 2322 is also the Murray State Racers. Casey Meyer. Emily Quiner. Ashley Rose. Daniel Soika. Caitlin Clevin. Caroline Barber. Harley Jetty. Kyle Donnan. And Christine Manhart. Director of Athletics, Alan Ward. And the head coach of the Racers, Alan Lawler. And we're also presenting the Murray State team and head coach Alan Lawler with the championship trophy of the Ohio Valley Conference for 2010. Congratulations.